GBS, General Board System. The growing pace of development has paved the way for the country's integration into the global economy. Under these circumstances, the demand for modern electrical equipment necessitates the production of high-quality electric boards in Baku. General Board System, GBS, LLC, manufacturing 0.4, 6, 10, and 35 kilovolt power distribution boards, was founded in Baku in 2006. Manufacturing power distribution equipment and providing a variety of services in the field of power supply, GBS covers an area of 9,500 square meters. Possessing a workforce of 170 people, the company operates production and trial facilities meeting international standards. The projects meeting international requirements are implemented by a staff of qualified professionals. Cutting-edge technologies and software allow the company the opportunity to fulfill customer requests in a prompt and quality manner. Project designers prepare draft products of different sizes and design using the latest software. After the size and other properties of a product have been established, it is sent into cutting. Initially, a sample fragment is produced. If the sample meets the required size and standards, mass production begins. The first stage of production involves cutting, which is carried out using various advanced technologies. This can be done by laser or using the punch machine, depending on the nature of the job and customer requirement. The metal laser machine enables processing of metal boards from 0.8 to 7 mm thick, while the punch machine is intended for the processing of boards with a thickness of 0.8 to 3 mm. Triumph 6000 machine is used for cutting both using laser and punch methods. The machine is equipped with a control panel. Triumph 6000 has special software which helps transfer size data into the network or the machine's memory using a storage medium. The cutting is then carried out on the basis of this data. Then comes the process of wrapping. The wrapping unit conducts wrapping with the aid of different molds. The wrapping process also takes into consideration the sizes of relevant parts submitted by partner companies. Then comes the process of wrapping. The wrapping unit conducts wrapping with the aid of different molds. The wrapping process also takes into consideration the sizes of relevant parts submitted by partner companies. Since each power distribution board has a specific size, it has a relevant mold. The wrapping is conducted using these molds. Of course, special requests of the customer are always taken into account. Wrapped parts are then sent to the welding workshop, where different parts are welded to each other using different welding techniques. If necessary, welded parts are petrified again. This is followed by the main process, the stage of installation. These products are stored on special shelves. Power distribution boards of different types and models are assembled here. According to the client's request, the product is painted in different colors in accordance with accepted color standards. This is followed by the main process, the stage of installation. These products are stored on special shelves. Power distribution boards of different types and models are assembled here. Products: Siemens Sivacon 8PT. Sivacon 8PT boards are produced on the basis of Siemens specifications. Noted for their universal and reliable operation, the boards are used in power distribution in residential and industrial facilities. They are easy to use and safe. The face value of their current intensity is 6,300 ampere. GBS is the exclusive officially licensed representative of Sivakon 8PT in the Caucasus. ABB R2L distribution boards are used in the medium-level service sector, in office buildings and small supermarkets. The face value of ABB R2L distribution boards' current intensity is up to 7,000 ampere. Customers usually prefer these panels due to their high quality and safety. The feeder boards manufactured by GBS are used in a variety of spheres. Depending on customer request, they can be assembled as distribution boards with a face value of current intensity of up to 630 ampere. Protective cutters manufactured by Siemens, Schneider, ABB, and Legrand are mainly used as switch devices in these facilities. Low-speed control systems are manufactured through a high-precision project developed by foreign and local experts. GBS-produced frequency conversion control and regulation boards are envisaged for frequency control of pumps, ventilation, and process equipment. Such boards are successfully used in energy, industrial, and municipal service sectors. Licensed Schneider SM624 boards comply with all requirements pertaining to safety, ease of installation and use, and environmental protection. Their proportions enable installation in small rooms and prefabricated substations. The working voltage of the boards is 7.2 to 12 kilovolts, and current intensity is up to 1,250 ampere. The partnership license for the production of Schneider SM624 boards was obtained in 2013. 6 to 10 kilovolt closed distribution units are intended for the distribution of three-phase alternating current electricity with a resistance of 50 Hz. These units are used in special flow systems of power stations, as well as industrial facilities and substations of power systems. The service life of their corrosion-resistant equipment exceeds 30 years. The system of mechanical and electromagnetic blocking rules out the possibility of human error. Circuit breakers manufactured by Schneider, ABB, and Siemens are used in 6 to 10 kilovolt closed distribution units. Circuit breakers manufactured by Schneider are used in the assembly of 35 kilovolt sulfur hexafluoride closed distribution units. The parts of 35 kilovolt units are protected on special shelves in assembly shops, where the assembly process takes place. The fixing of side frames is carried out during assembly using special tools. Low-speed control systems are manufactured through a high-precision project developed by foreign and local experts. All parts are manufactured by renowned European companies. GBS manufactured 35 kilovolt sulfur hexafluoride closed distribution units are consistent with similar units manufactured in Europe. GBS was the first company in Azerbaijan to start producing 110 kilovolt protection and control panels. It takes about 4 months to produce such a panel. Such panels produced by GBS are already used by several substations. GBS manufactures 1 to 12, 8 to 10 wall-mounted and through-the-wall panels, external panels, sulfur hexafluoride closed distribution units, and metal cable channels intended for outdoor use. The treatment of copper buses used on all facilities is also carried out within the company. A special copper bus machine is used to do that. The copper bus machine performs the cutting, punching, and wrapping of material at the same time. The machine has a modern control panel which enables rigorous control over the process. In order to ensure environmental protection during the production of panels, special protective layers are used. The protection layer with a degree of up to IP65 may be used with the aid of high-precision software. The mentioned protective layer prevents the entry of water, dust, and air inside the panel. After the assembly has been completed, the products are labeled. Various labels are used to do that. Labels vary by their function, size, and material. Both existing standards and customer requests are taken into consideration in the labeling process. Some labels are written using a machine called gravograph. This machine writes characteristic indicators of the panels on metal labels using the etching technique. The writing of different labels is facilitated by special software and user-friendly controls. Finished products are supplied with the operating manual and the necessary diagrams where all properties of products are described. This is followed by the process of trials. Before the finished products are delivered to the customer, they are sent to the laboratory. All parts, elements, devices, and equipment installed in the assembly chamber are tested in plant conditions in Germany, France, Italy, Turkey, Russia, and other countries. The company requires the manufacturers to submit certificates and reports reflecting the results of these tests. The visual examination is followed by the examination of mechanical operability. Then, dielectric tests are conducted and insulating resistance tested. Safety tests are conducted. High-voltage tests are intended to examine the reliability of insulation, as well as possible defects in visible cracks and current leakage using measurement equipment. The products are then packaged and handed over to the finished products warehouse for delivery to customers. From the first day of operation, GBS set itself the objective of manufacturing quality products meeting international standards. The company operates in accordance with ISO 9001-2008. The manufacturing process at GBS complies with environmental legislation of the Republic of Azerbaijan and the ISO 14001-2004 International Environmental Standard. The company has also received the OHSAS 18001-2008 International Certificate for Health, Safety and Environment. GBS has received the Company of the Year Award from Azeri Business Awards for production of electrical equipment. GBS has made a significant contribution to the economic development of the country, industrial growth and employment, and indirectly to the prosperity of the population. GBS, General Board System.